Once again, welcome you to our class. Right, what is the thing which we are seeing now? Measurement. Yes, what is that? Measurement of unknown quantity with a known quantity is known as measurement. So that known quantity, that is called as unit. Yes. So what is the thing which we use there? Yes, physical balance. That is used for measuring the weight. And then tape for measuring the measuring tape for measuring the length, and then time for measuring the width. Yes, and then next we are going to see about the methods of measurement. Yes, what is that? Methods of measurement. There are two types of measurement. Yes, we have exact measurement and then inexact measurement. What are all they? Exact and then inexact. Yes, tell me what is meant by exact and then inexact measurement. Yes, exact means the correct quantity. The correct. It is 10, 10. Correct. Both are same, equal, accurate. It is called as exact. Inexact, it is more or less equal. If it is 10, it may be 8 or 9, it may be 11 or 12. So inexact means not accurate, not correct, nearly equal, that is more or less. So exact means the correct thing. Inexact means not correct, more or less equal. So there are two types of measurement. They are exact measurement and then, yes, open your mouth, inexact measurement. Okay. And then, so what are the devices or the instruments which are used for exact measurement? Yes, they are, what is that? Balance. But in the early days we use physical balance. Now we use digital balance. What is that? Digital balance which works with the help of electricity. Okay, or battery. And then, so this is used for this digital balance is used for measuring weights of solid, that is kilograms and then grams, milligrams, etc. And then, so this is used to measure the liter. This is a liter gauge. It is used to measure what? Kerosene. Yes, kerosene, diesel, petrol. So, and what is that? Measuring jar is also used. Measuring jar is also used to measure the liquid quantity. Okay. And then what is the next thing? Scale. Scale is used to measure the distance. So these are all exact measurements. You have a scale, right? So you are measuring some distance with the help of your scale. And then measure the same distance with the help of other scale. Whether the reading changes? No, it won't change. Okay. So, but in the inexact measurement, what is that? Inexact measurement. So, it changes. So, in the inexact measurement, what happens? The reading changes. What are all they? Handspan. Yes, and the next one is foot. What is that? Cubit. Cubit and then space. Space is nothing but the distance between the one leg and the other leg. That is foot by expanding it. By expanding it. Okay. So what is that span? Consider one hand span. If my hand is of this size, I measure one hand span. Consider I am measuring this note. See here. What is this one hand span and then a liquid. Okay. If a person who is smaller than me are measuring it, what would happen? So the reading changes because the hand span is not same for everyone. The hand span is not same for everyone and the foot is not also same for everyone because it may changes from one person to the other person. Okay. And the next one is cubit. It also changes according to one person to the other person. So these are all called as inexact measurement. These are all called as inexact measurement. They are all exact. That is the correct reading you are able to get from this. Okay. And then, so now we are going to see about the standard unit of measurement. Why the standard unit of measurement has been introduced? Yes. Any guesses? Yes, because to avoid the confusion between the inexact measurement. So during olden days, the rate of measuring changes from place to place all over the country. There are different types of measurement which takes place from country to country. It differs. So the people who do trade are very much affected by these different types of measurement is followed in different countries. So the scientists all over the country, all over the world, they have planned to have the standard unit of measurement, which is followed by all the people in the world. It is considered to be standard. Okay, so it is called as international system. What is that? The international system SI is a system of standard unit of measurement for scientists throughout the world. So this has been used by the scientists throughout the world. It is called as SI unit. What is that? What is the definition of the SI? Abbreviation of the SI? Standard international. That is international system is called as standard international. So see here, these are all the standard international units of some of the quantities. So what is the first quantity? It is length. For length, the SI unit is meter. So the SI unit of length is meter. So it is abbreviated as M. Okay. And then for mass, it is kilogram. For mass, it is kilogram. It is abbreviated as kg. And then for temperature, it is Kelvin. Temperature, it is Kelvin. It is abbreviated as K. And then for time, it is seconds. And then for volume, meter cube. So these units are given to all the units. So these quantity of units are given for all the measurements. Okay. So but the three basic things. What are the three basic measurements? They are length, mass, and then time. That is the meter, kilogram, and the second. So these three are the standard measurement and very important thing. Okay. Now we are going to see about the multiples and submultiples of length. What is that? Multiples and submultiples of length. I have shown you scale, everything right in the previous class. So try to take the scale. Okay. So what is that? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. And coming to 1 meter. Meter is a standard quantity. Okay. And then, so 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. So it goes on increasing order of, they are the multiples of length. Now coming to the lower case, they are the submultiples of length. So 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meter. Okay. So you have the scale readings in centimeters. Yes or no? You have the scale readings in centimeters. You have a small line inside that, no, it is millimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Just try to have a note of it. Keep in mind all this. Listen again. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. This is the important three things which you have to keep in mind for the multiples and submultiples of length. Now going to the next one. So multiples and submultiples of second, that is the time. So just have a view of this. Okay. Just see here. 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, 24 hours is equal to 1 day, 7 days is equal to a week, 28 to 31 days is equal to 1 month. Yes, 365 or 366. What is the 365 or 366? If it is a leap year, we get 366 days. Yes, it is equal to 1 year, 12 months is equal to 1 year, 10 years is equal to 1 decade, and 100 years is equal to 1 century, 1000 years is equal to 1 millennium. So these are all the multiples and sub-multiples of time, that is the second. Okay. So here the important thing to keep in mind is 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay. These are the two important points which you have to keep in mind. Others you can do it by yourself. And then coming to the next one, multiples and sub-multiples of gram. Multiples and sub-multiples of gram. Okay. So 1000, what is that? Coming to the first one, see here we have 10 milligram is equal to 1 centigram. 10 centigram is equal to 1 decigram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. What is that? 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So here the important thing to keep in mind is then 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. Just three things. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. So these are all the things to keep in mind here. So you have seen conversions also, right? Yes or no? For converting meter to kilometer, what we have to do, children? For converting meter to kilometer, yes, for converting meter to kilometer, we have to divide it by 1000. And for converting kilometer to meter, multiply by 1000. Yes? And then measurement of length. How to measure length? For measuring the small distance, what we use? Meter. So this is a meter tape. And then for measuring the distance between two places, we use kilometers. Measuring distance between two places, we use kilometers. So here, distance between two places are measured in kilometers. And then for measuring the thickness of points, we use millimeters. Thickness of points measured by millimeters. Okay. So for measuring height, what are the devices? One is the scale. And then the second one is meter rod. Meter rod. And then next one is the meter tape. Yes. And then correct and incorrect measurement of them. While measuring, you have to keep the tape in a straight way. You have to keep that in a straight way. And then second thing here, you have to keep the scale in the correct where it starts, where the block starts. This is the wrong method of measuring. And then see here we have to view that from the correct straight distance. We must not stand slanted. Okay, we must view always straight to that margin where we need to measure. Yes, I hope up to this you are clear. Yes. Now try to answer me this question. For converting kilogram to gram, what we have to do? For converting kilogram to gram, what we need to do there? We have to multiply or divide? Yes, fast. Good. We have to multiply by 1000. Very good. For converting gram to kilogram, what we have to do? For converting gram to kilogram, yes, we have to divide it by 1000. But in the case of kilometer to meter, we need to multiply by 1000. Kilometer to meter, multiply by 1000. Okay. And then meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. And coming to the next, kilogram to gram, multiply by 1000. Gram to kilogram, divide by 1000. Okay. So children, I hope up to this you are clear. The remaining division will go on with the next class. Okay. So be at home, be safe, try to read the book, have in touch with your subject always. I thank you all for listening the class.